Welcome, friends and viewers. Here we are with a new topic today in our exploration of Ayurveda wisdom. As new people are joining to my channel, so I would request them to like, subscribe, and share. At least subscribe my channel so that you would be notified as I'll be posting the videos about holistic health, Ayurveda, yoga in the days and weeks to come. So let's start with our topic today. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic. Actually, all topics are important and quite useful for learners to be here and understand them. I mean, it is not an exhaustive learning here, which I do provide in my Ayurveda courses, whether it is residential or online. Based on your convenience, you can either visit our yoga and Ayurveda school in Goa and join our residential Ayurveda yoga courses, or you can also opt for the online course if physically visiting is not possible for you. So I'll be putting a link in the description and details about it, so that in your free time you can click on the link, go on the relevant web page and read all the information and engage us. You can text us on WhatsApp or probably email us if you want to gather and extract more information. So today I'm going to talk about Ayurveda Detox, which is basically the traditional method of cleansing your body. First of all, why cleansing is important? Cleansing is important because we are continuously subjecting our body to external source of prana, right? For example, we are breathing air, which might not be so pure and might be giving us certain unwanted gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and other pollutants in the gases mixed with it. Then we are drinking water which might not be so pure, so we have to cleanse. We might be having heavy metals coming through the water and the food. Then we are eating food which might not be so pure again, because we are in the modern world where there is a rampant use of pesticides, weedicides, and insecticides. This was about the human interference and interaction with the ecosystem or the food chain. But then there is one more aspect to it. As we living in the modern world where we are subjected to so many external triggers, we have weakened our body. We have weakened our prana. Our digestive system, respiratory, immune system has all been compromised because of all the internal and external factors interplaying with each other. So because our digestion is not working properly, so we are not able to release those toxins naturally. As our lungs are not working properly, respiratory system, so we are not able to do a proper gaseous exchange between O2 and CO2, because that's where we draw our energy for all the activities in the world. And also, we don't have that kind of mental stability, and the strength of our mind, nervous system also been compromised, because we are subjected to so much of gadgets, mobile phones, laptops, and also we are living in a world where we are not contented and we are chasing the illusionary dreams. Probably we can achieve few of them, but not all of them can be achieved realistically. That's the reason we have become a cocktail of toxins. So today I'm going to talk about how Ayurveda, the ancient healing Vedic medical science, can help us to detox ourselves. A lot of people in the West, in the other part of the world and the Western part of the world, don't know about Ayurveda much. Awareness is getting built up, but still my objective here is to make people aware and give them a choice to heal themselves through Ayurveda. So welcome to the exploration of this ancient wisdom that can positively impact the modern life. And today we are going to explore how this ancient health science, which has been around for almost 5,000 years, we will also understand that how it can help you to prevent and treat chronic health problems through a process called detoxification, which is basically known as panchakarma. There are 5 essential detoxification therapies in Ayurveda, which can be effectively used to remove all the toxins actually, and basically prevent illness. So if you want to feel better in your body and mind, then keep watching this. And then you will, by the end of the video, you would be definitely convinced at why you should go for Ayurvedic detox time to time to remain healthy and balanced. We need to understand that Ayurveda isn't just about healing. It's a way of looking at your whole self. It sees that everyone is unique and suggests ways to balance your mind, body, and spirit. Well, this ancient practice, which originated in India, has stood the test of time because it offers a holistic approach to the health. It doesn't just treat symptoms, it goes to the root of your health issues. Well, why detoxification matters in the first place, I think I already introduced the importance of detoxification. I feel that chronic health problems often start when toxins build up in your body. Reasons could be different. Few of the reasons I've already explained. But one thing is very common, that these toxins can throw your body out of balance and cause various health issues over the period of time. Detoxification, a key concept in Ayurveda, helps your body get rid of these toxins and restore its natural harmony. Well, I can talk on this topic for almost 2 or 3 hours, or maybe I can do a workshop or seminar, but I don't want to make it too long because I know the attention span of people is not so great these days in the times of reels and the YouTube shorts. But I'm going to make it slightly longer because I cannot do justice with the topic in a reel. So I'm going to talk about a few Ayurvedic detox methods. So let's look at some Ayurvedic detox methods that can really help you to detox yourself. The first is Panchkarma. So what is Panchkarma? We must have heard about this a lot nowadays. If you are someone who is into yoga or be connected to Indian form of yoga, or you visited India, you must have taken a Panchkarma treatment or Ayurvedic massage. It's a huge part of Ayurvedic medical tourism in different parts of the India. Panchkarma is a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine. It's a comprehensive detoxification program that goes beyond any typical cleansing method. This ancient and highly structured procedure includes a series of therapeutic treatments, including oil massages, herbal steam baths, and cleansing enemas. It is designed to eliminate deep-seated toxins from the body. Well, Panchkarma is an integrated process tailored to an individual's unique constitution, dosha aggravation, and unique symptoms related to the specific disorder. It not only aids in physical detoxification, but also promotes mental clarity and emotional well-being. It is considered to be a potential tool for restoring balance, enhancing immunity, and preventing a wide range of chronic health issues, making it a fundamental and time-tested approach to holistic healing in Ayurveda. The second most prominent or the potent method of detoxification in Ayurveda is Ayurvedic diet. Basically, what you eat is quite important. In Ayurveda, we say that you are what you eat. So basically, food is consciousness and it is a source of prana. But the nature of the food or the quality of the food, in which there could be three categories, there could be three qualities of the food, as we say in Yoga and Ayurveda: Sattva, Rajas, and Tamas. So if you are consuming a Rajas food, you would get purity and clarity and peace of mind. If you are consuming Rajas food, you would be more aggressive, dynamic, and passionate, and always planning and plotting to do things, always moving around, quite ambitious then. And if you're eating a tamasic food, then you would basically become inert, inactive, and you would get thoughts which would be destructive, and you will become ill and sick over the period of time by consuming tamasic food. So, but here I'm not talking about the yogic diet. So, Ayurveda detox diet is basically rooted in the ancient wisdom, and it focuses on maintaining balance while cleansing the body. Well, it includes eating seasonal and the fresh foods, also the practices of mindful eating and consideration of one's unique dosha constitution as we select the food. Well, detoxifying spices like turmeric and ginger are quite integral for detoxification. whereas there are other processed foods are typically avoided. Whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats are staples, and herbal teas can aid in elimination of toxins. Well, customization is the key in Ayurveda detox diet. It cannot be generic, and consulting an Ayurvedic practitioner, consultant, or doctor is quite essential for tailored guidance. It is recommended to support the body's natural detoxification processes while promoting overall health and the well-being. So, diet is not generic in Ayurveda. It has to go based on your constitution, your dosha, state of your dosha, your mental, emotional, and physical state. Then only the diet is going to work for you. It has to be quite customized and quite specific. The third important way to detoxify yourself as per Ayurveda is the use of herbal Ayurvedic remedies. Ayurvedic remedies for detoxification draws upon a rich tradition of natural healing. Central to these remedies are herbs such as triphala, neem, and ashwagandha, which are renowned for the detoxifying properties. Triphala, which is a blend of 3 fruits, is a potent cleanser of the digestive system. It is an amazing blood purifier and also the laxative. Neem, often called the wonder leaf in traditional Indian Ayurvedic system, it supports the detoxification and a skin health. Ashwagandha, which is an adaptogenic herb, helps the body manage stress and reduce the oxidative stress. Well, Ayurvedic detox also includes the practices like oil pulling, a technique of swishing the oil in your mouth to remove toxins. The first thing in the morning you do it, and tongue scraping, and which removes toxins that accumulate on the tongue overnight. Well, these remedies are time tested and can be tailored to the individual needs to promote overall health and the well-being. Well, the next important way of detoxification in Ayurveda is practice of yoga and meditation. Yoga and Ayurveda are not separate sciences, Vedic sciences. Actually, they are sister sciences, so they complement each other. So yoga and meditation are integral components of Ayurvedic detox and overall health. Yoga asanas, which are also known as postures, promote physical strength, flexibility, and improve blood circulation, aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body and the extremities. Furthermore, yogic breathing exercises, which is also known as pranayama, enhance lung capacity, it oxygenate the blood and support the detoxification process. Meditation, on the other hand, basically calms the mind, reduces stress, and enhances the concentration and mental clarity. So it plays a pivotal role in emotional detoxification, helps individuals release negative emotions and cultivate a positive outlook for life. Together, yoga and meditation synergistically contribute to a holistic well-being by fostering both physical and mental detoxification. Well, the next important way of detoxification in Ayurveda is fasting. In the quest for holistic well-being, Ayurveda offers a fascinating approach to detoxification through fasting. This ancient practice, with its root in India, has been revered for thousands of years for its profound effects on both the body and the mind. Ayurveda recognizes that our body accumulates toxins over the time due to poor lifestyle, dietary habits, environmental factors, and stress. These toxins, known as ama in Ayurveda, can lead to a range of health issues if not tackled on time and properly. Fasting in the Ayurvedic context is not about extreme deprivation, but it's a strategic and mindful approach to cleanse the body. As I'm talking about healing here, so it comes to my mind that I must introduce my holistic healing program. We have designed this holistic healing program for people who are suffering from chronic disorders, pain, and miseries, and they are not getting any permanent solution in the conventional medicine. The good news is now you can heal yourself. This isn't just a healing program, it's a transformative experience and invitation to embrace the holistic wellness, an opportunity to unlock your body's remarkable capacity for healing. So join us today and start your journey towards a vibrant health. You can find the link in the description for this as well and can extract more details if you're interested. So the benefits of Ayurvedic detox. The good news is that Ayurvedic detox can bring you a lot of benefits. You will have more energy, clearer thinking, better digestion, improved sleep, and a stronger immune system. It can even help with the issues like allergies, skin problems, and chronic pain. Well, how to get started? So if you're interested in Ayurvedic detox, the first step is to consult or talk to your Ayurveda practitioner, doctor, or consultant. They can help you figure out what exactly is your problem, what is your body type. There would be a basic or detailed consultation, and on the basis of that, an Ayurvedic practitioner would design a diet chart for you along with lifestyle restrictions and the herbal Ayurvedic medicines and supplements which can be safely consumed. There would be a detailed Ayurvedic treatment plan. If you follow it religiously, then I'm sure you would be able to say goodbye to your health issues forever. In conclusion, Ayurveda detox isn't a quick fix. It's a journey to better health, and you go gradually in it. But if you're ready to start this journey, then consider subscribing to learn about Ayurveda. Of course, you can go to a Ayurvedic doctor and get a treatment plan, but it is easier for you to follow the treatment plan if you study Ayurveda and understand what basically is Ayurvedic lifestyle. So in the words of Ayurveda, it says the swasthya rakshanam adurasya kara prashamanan, which essentially means, or which translates to, that the primary objective of Ayurveda is to maintain the health of the healthy and to mitigate disorders in the afflicted individuals. Thus, let Ayurveda be your direction on this journey of a life where you want to replete yourself with vitality and well-being. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the session, and if you like it, so don't forget to like and share this information with others who might also benefit from it. Also subscribe the channel if you like this content, or if you're new here. That would really encourage me to keep creating this kind of informative content on yoga and Ayurveda. Remember, your health is precious, and Ayurveda can be your guide to unlocking better health. So that's for now. I'll see you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. For more such informative videos on yoga and Ayurveda, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the notification bell. Thank you.